Phulkophi Begun. There's some hot oil and some dried red chilies. We have the Phulkophi, cauliflower. We have the Begun. Panchphoron going in. Time to put the cauliflower in. Okay, put the cauliflower in first. You fry the Begun separately or you put it in here, mother? What are we putting in now? Salt. Food without salt is incomplete. We have to have salt.
Put the phoron and then the cauliflower and then the salt, which will make the cauliflower sweat. So when the cauliflower has released the water, that is called sweat. Then we shall put the...
Oh, you've got it in a pressure cooker. You use the pressure?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. It is called Chinese Begun, ma.
Chinese Begun.
And what is the proportion? The same amount of cauliflower to the same amount of Begun. So when I make this dish, I make the Begun in the air fryer. Just put some oil, rub some oil on the Begun, and I put it in the air fryer.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
And then I put it into the dish, and then it's quickly cooked. Giving it a stir. So you didn't put the pressure on, just lid. You're using it like a wok with a lid. Now it's already smelling so good now, the roast masala.
Salt only for the cauliflower.
Okay.
Now when I add this, I have to add more salt.
Okay. And then when do you put the other ingredients?
Like what? There's not
Turmeric and...
Not a whole lot of...
So now we put in the turmeric and we put in some chili powder. This is very strong chili powder, potent, extra hot.
Yeah. We are not going to put a lot.
So we don't put in it too much because that will burn your mouth off.
Yeah.
Bring the gobi up.
So the ginger will produce the water.
It looks so good, part cooked already. And then are you going to cover it again and leave it for another
Exactly.
5-10 minutes?
Keep on covering it, opening and shutting, opening and shutting.
Yeah. And that is done. How delicious does that look? Yummy, yummy.